Talk to me now, baby.
Oh, my ears.
Talk to me, son.
That was awesome. My foot was kind of at an angle and I started shaking.
Did you see what kind of shot you just put on that thing?
Yeah, I did. It just rolled over.
Now what do you think of the Thompson Center?
Good gun.
Tell me what happened.
Well, we were just sitting there and I heard something and I looked, see a deer. Well, I could hear a deer coming and I was walking. I didn't know if it was a buck or a doe, and I was looking at it and then get the hammer pulled back and walks like 15 yards or like 25 yards in front of us. Walks, gets over to my right, and I just pulled the trigger.
You excited?
Yeah.
Well, now what do we do?
I guess wait.
Tell them why you were so antsy. What'd you ask me about 20 minutes ago?
Oh, if I can go to the bathroom.
How long?
Really gotta go now.
How long have we been in the stand?
From about
Can't even tell. It's been all day, hasn't it?
Yeah. So about 8. Hi, I'm Robert Weibel. Cameraman's Bob Weibel. Just shot my first doe ever with a 50 caliber Thompson Center Omega, and sitting in the tree stand for about 6.5 hours before we actually got to shoot. Earlier we saw a buck that we couldn't shoot. We were hoping to shoot a buck, but we got stuck with the doe, which we're happy anyways.
You gotta harvest these does to get big bucks, don't we?